So hello guys, this is Yashwanth here, and this is my first YouTube video, and this is about a small trade which I took in Motilaloswal. It was around 1:28 hour, I think. So today I will be breaking down this chart, and so let's move into it. And for those who haven't checked my Instagram, I leave the link down below, and I would love you guys to go check it out. And let's move into the chart. So here is the daily time frame of Motilaloswal. You see that the stock was in a nice uptrend over here, and then the price comes down and it is an accumulation structure or something. So as you see that when you see in the daily time frame, this is a proper sell before you buy candle, which is a nice demand zone on the daily time frame. And let's just move into the 1 hour time frame, and this is the last sell before buy candle from which the stock started up trending. So basically what you need to do is you need to wait for the price to pull back to the same demand zone or the value area. Basically you need to enter on value areas only, not somewhere in between those areas, unless you're a very short time trader. So okay, so I obviously put it on replay mode, so it'll be much easier for me to explain the trade which I took. And this was the trade. I expected a little higher, but I was out of the trade soon. So let's just wait for the price to pull back to this demand zone. So the price is just moving higher and higher. We're just waiting for the price to pull back to this demand zone. So okay, so let me just move into the lower time frames for getting a clear cut picture. So yes, so you as you see that the prices come to our area of interest, which I just marked with this logo over here. This is our value area, and what we need to see is you need to look for some sideways action, because so that you don't go against the dominant energy. So I just get into the lower time frames for a much clear picture. So yes, so it started trading inside a range, and as you see that this is a smaller time frame accumulation structure right on daily demand. This is what we need. So this is the confirmation that the price is okay, taking, like, buyers are stepping in. This is the sign that shows us that the buyers are getting in, because if this is not happening, then you won't know that if this demand zone is actually going to provide an upward action, which happened before, just like before. So this is the break of structure on the desired direction, as you can see, which in terms of Wyckoff is called as a sign of strength. And this is the origin of impulse or origin of imbalance, or the origin which caused the break of structure. You can call it anything you want. So this is the area which I was looking to enter on this on this 5 minutes order block. My SL was right below these lows, and my first target was somewhere around these areas, or somewhere at this area. Basically it was a 1:28 almost. So this was my first target. I expected it to move more further higher, but which did not happen, and I was out of the trade. But still, it ended up being a very good trade. So I was just waiting for the tap of this 5 minutes order block, and let me just put it. So right on this tap, I was entered into the trade. I was just holding it overnight, and I was out the next day. So it's going pretty well, and so this is when my first target was hit, and some of my positions were out, and I was just still holding it unless my SL was hit. It happened today. Uh, so yes, surely this stock has potential of moving further higher, surely, but I was just out of the trade, which still was a very good trade indeed. So this is how you start from higher time frames and move down to lower time frame, just to time your entries. And if you keenly notice that I enter the trade on the tap of the 5 minutes order block, right? So if I had entered on the daily demand or something like that, your risk to reward would have a major impact, because as you see that this would have been just a 1:3. What you need to do as traders is to maximize your profit, and the main focus of yours should be to risk as much less as possible to get the maximum reward as possible. That's my motive, and it differs from person to person. And I've just broken down this chart so that many people's perspective change on how they view the charts, because many people think trading is all about patterns and all of that, but there is much more to it. Patterns, if used in the right way, can make very good impacts as well. So this is the small trade which I took, and hope this helped you change some perspective in your trading style, and it was a very good 1:27 as well. So hope you guys got some knowledge out of it, and I'll catch you in the next video. And do me a favor by just clicking the subscribe button right below, and do check out my YouTube channel as well, and I assure you I'll be providing a quality content. And I'll catch you in the next video soon, and see you. Bye bye.